Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by optical illusions? So, let's get started. Friends, optical illusions are images or pictures that we perceive differently than they really are. Put another way, optical illusions occur when our eyes send information to our brains that tricks us into perceiving something that does not match reality. Do you know? Optical illusions happen when our brain and eyes try to speak to each other in simple language, but the interpretation gets a bit mixed up. For example, it thinks our eyes told it something is moving, but that's not what the eyes meant to say to the brain. Dear students, it may be fun to perceive illusions, but the understanding of how they work is even more stimulating and sustainable. They can tell us where the limits and capacity of our perceptual apparatus are found. They can specify how the constraints of perception are set. Do you know? Are optical illusions good for your brain? This is because optical illusions can have surprising benefits for your brain that go further than your usual Sudoku or word puzzle. These visual puzzles can give you a good mental workout that can, in turn, help you think more efficiently and solve problems more easily. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, subscribe to the button, hit the notification bell. If you have any